How long does it take to get discharged from bankruptcy? If you're filing for bankruptcy, one of the biggest questions is, how long until I'm discharged? The answer depends on which chapter you file under, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is the quicker option. From the time you file, most people receive a discharge of their debts within 3 to 4 months. That includes the 341 meeting of creditors, the trustee's review, and the court's processing time. Chapter 13 is a longer journey. This type of bankruptcy involves a 3 to 5 year repayment plan, depending on your income. Your discharge is issued after you complete all planned payments and the trustee signs off on the case. So what can delay a discharge? Missing documents or deadlines, failing to complete the required debtor education course, objections from creditors or the trustee, ongoing court actions or amendments to your case. The final step, the court issues an official discharge order, a formal document wiping out your eligible debts. In Chapter 7, this usually happens about 60 days after your 341 meeting of creditors, assuming that there are no complications. Bottom line, stay on top of your paperwork, complete all the required steps, and communicate with your attorney. The smoother your case, the sooner you can move forward.